Hey guys, welcome to the TCG fam. We are doing the double whopper with cheese challenge, and that came from the K&J fam. If you follow them and you know them, that's Kristen and Jamil. So with further ado, we are going to get started and see it's how many bites does it take. So it's how many bites does it take to finish this double whopper. Think you could do it?
Just maybe.
I don't know. I don't know if I could do it. I normally can't even eat a whole one. But yeah, so let's get this started. This is a Whopper with cheese. It's got everything on it. Lettuce, tomato, onion. Hers doesn't have onion, but all right, ready? That was bite number one. Oh my gosh, look at that little teeny tiny bite. Look at her bite, guys. And there was mine. Bite number two. Messy. So you think you can do this? Comment down below, like, share. I think Kristen and Jamil did his in 5 bites. Kristen did hers in, I think it was 7 or 8. 7 or 8 bites, yeah. So going in for bite number 3.
Oh.
This is definitely harder than it looks. I have to say, Kristen and Jamil, you guys made this look like really easy. But it is not. Got my Dr. Pepper soda here. Falling apart. All right, bite number 4. They really put a lot of mayonnaise on this, so, and ketchup. That's why it's really, really messy. I'm just guessing, but I'm gonna say that I could do it in probably 7. That's just a guess. I don't know. We'll see. All right. Going in for bite number 5. Really a mess. Mine's falling
Oh, my
apart.
pickles are falling out.
Number 6. Wow. Ooh, I'm so overfull already. I gotta give it to him. Kristen and Jamil. I don't know how you guys eat all that food. Wow. Whew. All right. This is what's left. Think I can do it one bite?
Maybe 2.
All right. Piece of tomato. Going in for number 7. Sorry, I can't show you all that. This is really hard to chew when you got 7 bites, guys. Mine's gone.
But I've got still.
She's still got probably about 2 more bites in her teeny little bites. Wow, 7 bites, guys. And that was rough. All right, let's see, Gab.
All right.
All right, she's on number 8. She's going to have 1 more to go. So, with the exception of a piece of tomato and a little pickle that fell out, because it's so dang messy.
Alright guys, I think I'm going to be able to do this for my last bite over here.
Number 9 for her. All right, so 7 for me and 9 for her. That was rough, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm.
That was rough. But, yeah. I got some onion rings here. She got some French fries. We have little pull tabs on our things here. I don't know if you do where you live. We win a value French fry. So if any of you want a value French fry, this is an online code that you have to go online and do.
And on mine it says that we win chicken fries. Oop.
Okay. So I got a regular fry. She got a chicken fry. But, so anyways, very, very hard to do. It doesn't seem like it is. When you see a double whopper, you're like, I can eat that. But really having to smack it down, and you're like,
whoa.
That's a lot of food. Most definitely. Yeah, let me know. Do you make New Year's resolutions? New Year's is coming up. Do you make New Year's resolutions, or, don't you? I'm the type of person, I don't make a resolution because I feel like 94% 5% of people make a resolution and they don't stick with it. You stick with it for about a week or so, and then that's it. You fall back into doing what you used to do. Then you feel like even more crap because you feel like you failed. So I feel like, why set yourself up for failure? In reality, what you should do is just try to be a better you all around, whether it be losing weight or, you know, going to the gym more, going to church more, whatever it is that you want to get better at. Just make like a goal, not a resolution, and just try to hit that goal. If you don't, then, you know, you don't have to be upset about it, but, you know, maybe just work on it. So, you know, that's how I feel. I don't make resolutions. I know a lot of people do, but I think it sets people up for failure. So, sorry, what I wanted to say was, this is our actual first mukbang. So, it is a challenge, but that's because I saw K&J do it today, and I thought, wow, I can do that. I've got to do that. And it's definitely, wow, it's something else.
It's a very big sandwich to try and fit in
Double
your mouth.
Whopper is a very, very big sandwich. But, yeah. Let me know, post in the comments. Do you make a resolution or don't you? If you do, what resolution, you know, are you planning on making? And I think I'm done. I'm not eating no more of these onion rings. But I used to have some fries left too. Let's show them. She's got some fries left. And then I've got the onion rings with my big mayonnaise mess there, because they literally had so much mayonnaise on my sandwich. It was like, as soon as I took a bite, stuff was dripping out. But yeah, so subscribe to our channel and get ready for a whole bunch more of mukbangs with me, Tiffany, my husband Christopher, and my daughter Gabriella. We're gonna let her join in sometimes, but yeah, so that's us. We are the T, C, and G fam. Subscribe, like, and share. And get ready for some really, really great new challenges. We're going to do some hot challenges. We're going to do some mukbangs that I got planned. So, yeah, get ready. I hope you have a happy new year. My birthday was yesterday, the big 40. Woo! Yeah, 40. My party is tomorrow, New Year's Eve. You know, one party, New Year's Eve and birthday. So, yeah. See you guys later. Bye.